Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn a fast bowling run-up. First, focus on establishing a consistent starting point for your run-up. This helps build a repeatable rhythm and ensures you hit the crease at the right time. Think about a smooth, controlled acceleration rather than an immediate sprint. Your initial steps should be purposeful and balanced, setting the foundation for your delivery. Next, let's refine your stride and rhythm. Use markers to establish your run-up distance, ensuring it's comfortable and allows for full acceleration. Practice maintaining a consistent stride length throughout, avoiding any sudden changes. Aim for a smooth, accelerating rhythm that builds momentum naturally. Your run-up should feel fluid and effortless, not forced or rushed. Now, let's consider body position and momentum. Keep your body upright and balanced, allowing you to generate forward momentum efficiently. As you run, align your shoulders and hips towards your target, ensuring a direct path to the wicket. A strong, stable core is crucial for control and transferring energy effectively. This alignment helps maximize your power and accuracy. Finally, consistent practice and refinement are key. Begin by practicing your run-up without a ball, focusing solely on technique and rhythm. Once comfortable, gradually introduce a ball and a target. Recording yourself can provide valuable insights into your form. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from experienced coaches. Their guidance can significantly accelerate your learning and improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.